A remote village, there lived a renowned blacksmith named Morris. He taught all of his skills to his beloved daughter, Ara. One night, the Dragon King, Eondrur, emerged from his lair for the first time in millennia. Eondrur had been awakened by the power of Dark Soul, an evil being intent on conquering the Enthralling realms. On Dark Soul's command, Eondrur led a host of monsters to destroy the village. As the village defenders fell, Morris himself took up his best weapons and attempted to defeat Eondrur. However, his efforts were in vain. With his dying breath, Morris instructed Ara to find his old friend, a master blacksmith named Caven, and tell him about the Dragon King's assault. Hungry for revenge, Ara vowed to defeat Eondrur. To do so, she'd need a legendary weapon that only Master Caven could build, so she headed to the dwarven village of Darmond to find him. However, even for a master blacksmith, creating such a weapon is no easy task. Master Caven will need rare materials from all throughout the Enthralling realms, and time is running out. Eondrur continues to spread terror across the land, and he has followed Ara to the dwarf village. If Ara and Caven are to save the village, they must forge the legendary weapon before it's too late. Chapter 1: Darmond Village. Stage complete.